Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to find faceless YouTube ideas that actually go viral? Meet VidX AI, the world's first AI-powered discovery and analytics platform made specifically for AI-generated and faceless YouTube channels. It helps you analyze AI-generated content, track subscriber growth, and uncover viral niches, faceless video ideas, and even full scripts, all in one place. It's like having a spyglass into what's trending, what's working, and what's coming next, showing you top-performing channels, fast-rising creators, and the exact video patterns and hooks that drive millions of views. Let's dive in. I'll walk you through everything step by step. Channel library, search and filter high-growth, AI channels. Here's where everything starts, the channel library. Above, you'll find filters and a search bar to explore over 1 million AI-powered YouTube channels. By default, channels are sorted by subscribers in descending order, but you can easily change that to any metric you like. Each channel card gives you detailed analytics. You can see when the channel was created, when its last video was published, and how many outlier videos it has. Outliers are videos that perform 3 times better than the channel's average, a great indicator of standout content. You can also view total views, likes, comments, 30-day performance, total uploads, number of shorts, and even the AI rate percentage, showing how much of the channel's content is AI generated. It's nearly 100% for some creators, showing just how far AI content creation has come. You can click to visit their YouTube channel directly, mark them as favorites, or explore their linked social profiles on Instagram, Facebook, or X. This is your complete control center for discovering, tracking, and analyzing AI-driven creators. Video library, find popular AI videos by views and viral index. At the very top, you'll find 3 tabs: title, description, and channel. You can type any keyword or hashtag here to instantly search across millions of videos. Just below, choose whether you want to see all videos, only long-form content, or just shorts. Next, you have the creation time filters. You can explore videos uploaded yesterday, within the past week, month, 6 months, or even the entire year, or select your own custom time range. Moving down, you'll notice several smart filters that help refine your search. You can sort videos by views, outliers, meaning videos performing 3 times better than a channel's average, or by views per hour, view rate, duration, category, likes, comments, and even language. And if you want to go deeper, there's a More Filters option for advanced search settings. Once everything is set, just hit search to refresh your results, or clear if you want to start over. There's also a handy toggle to block inactive videos, so you only see channels that are still posting. At the bottom, you can change how your results are sorted, by creation time, views, or any metric that fits your analysis. Now I've selected channel, set it to long videos with unlimited creation time, and sorted by descending views. Then I'll go ahead and click search, and just look at that. VidX AI instantly gives results from over 5 million channels, making this one of the most powerful faceless YouTube channel libraries available today. Viral video charts. Identify videos that go viral in a short period. This is where VidX AI helps you identify videos that go viral in a short period of time. It constantly analyzes thousands of videos across YouTube to track what's trending right now. Let's say I want to search for the finance niche. I can filter by keyword and instantly see which videos are exploding in views. Here, I've selected title, set it to long videos with unlimited creation time, and I'm focusing on outliers greater than 10 times. Then I'll click search, and just look at that. VidX AI instantly finds over 115 trending finance videos. You can see examples all performing way above their channel average. That means they went viral in a short time. Exactly the kind of data you want when planning your next content idea. Subscriber growth tracking. Analyze channel growth trends. This is where VidX AI helps you analyze how fast different channels are growing. Here you can choose between 7-day, 28-day, 3-month, or even 1-year subscriber growth, depending on how deep you want to analyze performance. You can also set creation time to unlimited and filter for AI videos, choosing a threshold like greater than 10 or 20 videos, or even set an AI rate above 50% to focus on channels heavily powered by AI content. For this example, I've selected 7-day subgrowth, set creation time to unlimited, and filtered AI rate above 20%. Then click search, and just look at that. VidX AI instantly ranks channels based on how quickly they're gaining subscribers. This lets you easily spot which creators are growing the fastest, which niches are trending, and how different AI-focused channels are performing week by week. Whether you're a content strategist, marketer, or creator, this tool gives you a clear edge in understanding what's working right now in the AI space. Creative Insights. So if you're planning to create your own faceless videos, Creative Insights shows you exactly what kind of content is trending right now and why it works. Once you've found something inspiring, head over to the Collections section. This is your personal creative workspace inside VidX AI, where you can save your favorite videos or channels and organize them into themed folders. You can group them by niche, trend, or performance type. Whatever fits your workflow best. It's where creativity meets analysis. You can revisit these top-performing AI videos later, study their structure again, or use them as direct inspiration for your next script or project. Think of it as your own creative research library, built entirely from real performance data, ready to spark your next viral idea. Why this tool matters. If you're serious about starting or scaling your faceless YouTube channel, VidX AI gives you clarity based on real data instead of guesswork. No more wasting time testing random topics. You can now see what's already working and create smarter content with AI. And that's a full walkthrough of VidX AI, your new research partner for faceless YouTube success. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to AI Minds for more powerful AI tools and tutorials, and drop a comment telling me which niche you want to explore next. Because in the world of AI and YouTube, data is your new creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.